Ready? Keep off. All right, looks more. Number 7 has the ball. Rebound by number 1. Number 13. Dribbling. Side, number 0. Thinking what to do. Top of the key for 3 points. 2 points. No, miss 2 times. Driving, kick out, another kick out for 3 points. Open up. Nakikita namin dito ngayon. Marvin push the ball on the other half of the court. Right to your right, pass underneath. 7 minutes and 25 seconds left. Number 0, right corner. Look at the ball trying to push in, but no good. Nobody pick up the ball. 4, 3, 4. Number 1 for 3 points. Number 98 going low post. Number 1 trying to side step. Jump shot. Good. In the middle, 3 points. Daniela. 3. The free throw goes in. No good. Rebound. Colt KOE. Dribbling more than 8. Easy layup. Trying. No. Number 1 almost lost the ball. Ooh, what a pass. You need. Trying to go in. No good. Only 4. 4, 21, 10. Number 7 in the middle. Basket. First free throw. Second free throw. Concentration. Well. Number 9. Lalabas ba? Okay, new player. Okay, first basket. Pass on the right corner. Designing, going down. Number 7, open for 3. He thought about it. No. Good. In the middle. Kick out. 3. Take a basket. On the 98. 15 seconds left. Driving jump shot in the corner. Miss. You, 14. Nice pass by Adela. Back to number 7. Kick pass to number 1, Anthony for 3 points. Almost done it, but offensive rebound by Solomon. 7, 8, 7, 6, 5. Corner, 3 points. 3 points. Number 7. Jump shot, air ball. Anthony, Solomon, fake pass, middle decided. Turnover, Chisago, Durango, back to Mala, fake, number 1, rebound. Kalau naman daw, easy. Para crossover on the left, it's the bottom goal. High post, nice passing by Luxembourg. Shot no good. Para again, we're pushing again from the left side, pass on number 8. Wow! Second basket goes in. 25. Rebound. Shot. Made away. No good. Rebound. Pala. Let's go. Pala pushing the court. He goes to the right side. Layup. Boom. Psycho. Number 2. With the Batana. Back to Pala. Pala. High post. Under Miller. Going to the right side. Spin move. Jump shot. Good. Shot. Good. Back to Ironman. Ironman. Back to Pala. Pala. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Psycho, back to Pala. Mukhang inuubos ang oras. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3 points, money, wow! So good, but rebound by Solomon. Back to 24, Rivera, Solomon for 3 points. Wow! Solomon, kick pass on the left side by Solomon, his brother. Oh, behind the back, and jump shot. Wow! Number 7. Loose ball, number 24. Back to Anthony. Anthony gripping the ball. He decided pass, number 7, Solomon, 2 shots. Good. First rebound, Ironman from Spain. Second basket, Martinez. First shot, good. Second shot, crossover to the left, the middle backer pass from down. 4, 3, 2. Thank you so much. Final score 52-38.